ClockIt is a time tracking software that has been gaining attention. But before you make a decision on whether it's right for you, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. Stick around to find out how it stacks up against its competitors and if it's the right tool for you. First up, let's talk about user friendliness. ClockIt is designed to be simple and intuitive, which makes it great for businesses of all sizes. Unlike some of its competitors like Toggle or Clockify, it doesn't require a steep learning curve. This is a huge plus for teams that don't want to spend hours training employees just to get started. If you've ever used a time tracking tool that felt overly complicated, ClockIt's simplicity will be a refreshing change. Next thing, ClockIt offers a ton of integration options. Whether you use tools like Slack, Zapier, Google Workspace, or QuickBooks, ClockIt syncs effortlessly with your existing workflow. This seamless integration is a major selling point, especially when compared to some competitors that have limited or clunky integrations. This means that ClockIt can save you a lot of time and effort by reducing the need for manual data entry and helping you keep everything in one place. The third thing you need to know is that ClockIt offers an impressive level of automation, which helps streamline time tracking. You can set automatic reminders for your team, track time in real time, and generate detailed reports with just a few clicks. This automation feature saves you hours each week compared to manually logging your hours like you would with traditional time tracking methods. It's one of those features that makes ClockIt stand out in a crowded market. The fourth thing to keep in mind is ClockIt's pricing structure. While many competitors have complicated pricing tiers, ClockIt keeps things transparent and affordable. Whether you're a small business owner or a larger enterprise, you won't find yourself locked into an expensive long-term contract. You can actually try ClockIt for free, and they offer a range of options based on your team's needs, which is great for growing businesses on a budget. Next, ClockIt's customer support is exceptional. The team behind ClockIt is available 24/7, and they are known for offering prompt, helpful responses. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply need help setting something up, you're never left hanging. This level of customer support is a rare find and sets it apart from competitors that often leave users frustrated with long response times. The sixth thing is the robust reporting tools. If you're managing multiple projects or clients, ClockIt provides highly customizable reports. You can track billable hours, analyze productivity trends, and generate financial reports without needing a separate software. Competitors may offer reporting tools, but ClockIt's are particularly user-friendly and customizable, which makes a huge difference when you're trying to scale your business. The seventh and final thing you need to know before buying ClockIt is its mobile app. If you're on the go, ClockIt has an excellent mobile app that allows you to track time, manage your team, and view reports from anywhere. While some other time tracking tools don't have as polished mobile experiences, ClockIt makes it easy to stay on top of things even when you're away from your desk. So, if you want to try out ClockIt for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Trust me, if you're looking for a straightforward, powerful, and cost-effective time tracking solution, ClockIt has got you covered.